you identify yourself, please, first?
Yes, my name is Jose Baez. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Central Florida. I represent Casey at this time, Casey Anthony, and we want to let everyone know that we're focused on trying to find Caylee. The family is united. Everyone is concentrating on Caylee, and that's really the 100% of our focus right now. Aside from that, as far as her case is concerned, obviously I've been in contact with my client. I'm facilitating the communication between the family and my client, and we're doing everything we can to ensure Caylee's safe return and to do everything we possibly can to find her.
Now, crime scene techs just emerged from the neighbor's house, carrying something that they put in the car, drove away with. It was concealed by 2 big bags. Could have been a broom, could have been a shotgun. Do you have any idea what's going on?
Well, I seriously doubt it was a shotgun. I can say that as far as everything's concerned, we're doing everything we can to cooperate with law enforcement. Despite what's been said previously, everything that can be done will be done to help find Caylee, and that's the focus right now.
Do you know what they took out of the neighbor's house?
No, I do not. And I know there's certainly going to be limited communication. Law enforcement can only disclose certain things as it is an ongoing investigation.
Do you know how the neighbor factors into this?
Well, obviously what they're doing is canvassing the entire area to see if there's any type of evidence that would lead anyone to Caylee, which again is the focus of everything that we're trying to do here. So if the police are finding things, doesn't necessarily mean it's incriminating evidence. It's just more pieces of the puzzle, which is to find Caylee.
Is Casey cooperating with you?
Yes, absolutely. Her and I have open communication, and she wants to find her daughter.
What is she telling you? Is she saying, I didn't do this?
Obviously, I can't disclose any communications that I have specifically with my client. It's protected by the attorney-client privilege, and she has not, she is pleading not guilty to the crimes that she's charged with, and she has not been charged with anything specifically related to any harm to Caylee. I want to make that clear. If there's any inclination or any reporting that she's somehow associated with any type of harm to Caylee, that simply isn't true. She's not charged with that, and obviously not convicted of that, and we'd ask that that be reported fairly.
So you're absolutely saying that Casey has no clue where Caylee is?
Well, again, I can't disclose anything specifically that my client has told me, but we are cooperating with the family, we are cooperating with law enforcement, we plan on cooperating with law enforcement, and doing everything we possibly can, and I will do everything I possibly can to protect my client and her interests. Right now, they do not conflict, and we hope that the investigation proceeds in a way that it will not conflict, because we ultimately want to find Caylee.
But sir, investigators are saying that they feel like they've caught her, Casey, in many lies. They are openly saying they don't believe her story. To that you say?
Well, that's understandable, because law enforcement is required to question everything and everyone, and they wouldn't be doing their job if that were the case. So if they don't believe certain things that are told by Casey or spoken by Casey, that's to be expected in these types of situations. So I would question their job if they weren't questioning her.
But I have to say, when he asked you, does Casey know where her daughter Caylee is, you hesitated.
Well, no, I didn't hesitate in any way. I hesitated in the fact that I simply cannot disclose anything that I speak with my client about. Everything is protected by the attorney-client privilege, and it's protected by confidentiality, and I just simply can't comment on it or give any indication as to one way or the other. Please don't take anything from that.
Okay. Did Caylee go to that house on occasion?
I can't comment on that. I don't have any knowledge of that. So.
Has Casey expressed a desire to find her daughter?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. And just so everyone's aware, Casey was cooperating with law enforcement. Things went awry, and of course that's what we're trying to fix up right now.
Why didn't she tell anyone that her daughter was missing for so long?
Again, there's still stuff that we're uncovering. I was just retained today. I'm still trying to investigate everything, and that's, as far as the whole facts of everything that's going on around here, we're still doing our job, and we pretty much need a little bit of time to do that.
Could you spell your name for me?
Sure, it's Josebaez.
And you're out of Orlando?
Yes, Orlando and Kissimmee.
Thank you so much for